global titan in the construction and mining equipment industry collaborates with the world's fastest growing economy. The result is extraordinary. Welcome to Komatsu India Private Limited, a pioneer in ushering in a new mining and construction industry era, committed to sustainable growth and a brighter future. Komatsu's journey, deeply rooted in a rich history of over a century, began in 1921, founded by the visionary Miyataro Takeuchi in Japan. Komatsu was built on the pillars of quality first, technology innovation, human resource development, and overseas expansion. This led to Komatsu's global expansion, leaving a significant footprint worldwide. Komatsu's arrival in India, a newly independent nation needing high-quality earth-moving equipment for land development and infrastructure improvements, marked a significant milestone. Komatsu established a strong presence in India by signing a technology transfer agreement with the Indian Ministry of Defence to supply crawler dozers, setting a benchmark for quality, durability and reliability in its products and services. Manufacturing. With the liberalization of the Indian economy, Komatsu India Private Limited established a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Chennai in 2005. This facility, designed to manufacture 100-ton off-highway dump trucks for domestic and international markets, marked a significant step in Komatsu's journey. In 2013, the Chennai facility expanded its operations to include manufacturing hydraulic excavators of all models ranging from 7 tons to 50 tons. Key products. Komatsu India is dedicated to delivering high-quality, technologically advanced equipment such as bulldozers, motor graders, wheel loaders and large-size excavators for the mining segment, which is imported from Komatsu, Japan. These products play a crucial role in the nation's economic growth through large-scale infrastructure development. The Komatsu Way. Komatsu's substantial growth over the years is attributed to the 7 guiding principles of the Komatsu Way, which is deeply ingrained in all employees globally. These principles include commitment to quality and reliability, being customer-oriented, defining the root cause, workplace philosophy, policy deployment, collaboration with business partners, human resource development, safety. Komatsu's commitment to safety is paramount. The motto, "Safety First," is a pledge by all employees to create a safe and comfortable work environment for all employees and business partners. Quality, performance and design. Komatsu India is committed to Tantotsu values. Together to the next for sustainable growth. We strive to create value through manufacturing and technology innovation, empowering a sustainable future where people, businesses and the planet thrive together. Our products are designed with advanced technologies and features that provide superior performance, improved productivity, and reduced downtime. With Komatsu machines, you can expect greater fuel efficiency, reliability, durability, high performance, easy maintenance, and operator safety as per international standards. Marketing strengths. Komatsu India prioritizes customer support. Our central parts distribution warehouse in Nagpur uses state-of-the-art technology to minimize turnaround time, delivering genuine Komatsu parts across the country and supporting customers for a longer life cycle. Product support, total care. Our primary commitment is total care. We provide reliable and timely service to ensure optimal machine performance, resulting in higher productivity and lower fuel consumption. Our focus is to simplify operations and allow customers to concentrate on their core operations for better productivity and significant benefits. Distributor network and support. Through L&T's nationwide network, we provide sales, after-sales support, equipment maintenance and operation training to customers in almost all major regions and cities. Our goal is to deliver unique experiences for our customers' benefit. Industrial Machinery Division. Established in 2008 at Gurugram, Delhi. The Komatsu Industrial Machinery Division and Komatsu NTC Division is renowned for technological innovations that enhance capacity, productivity and performance. This IMD and NTC division supports the automobile industry in India by supplying industrial equipment, semiconductors, machine tools, wire saws and in-vehicle battery production equipment, thereby contributing to the growth of the automobile industry. Innovations and sustainability. At Komatsu India, we believe in our social responsibility to ensure the continued success and well-being of people, the country and the planet. This belief fuels our drive to innovate and implement eco-friendly and sustainable technologies. In 2022, Komatsu India developed and launched India's first biodiesel-compatible mining dump truck, significantly reducing carbon emissions and fuel consumption. This innovation supports India's policy towards carbon neutrality. Our equipment now ships with an eco mode that optimizes the engine's performance, reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions. We also offer remanufactured engines that are rebuilt to the same quality and performance standards as a new engine, thus extending the engine's life and reducing industrial waste. All Komatsu India mining trucks and construction equipment are manufactured using green energy, with 70% of the power generated from solar energy. Our goal is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by the year 2030 and to achieve complete carbon neutrality by 2050. Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR). At Komatsu India, we strive to be a valued community partner, supporting sustainable efforts that enhance the quality of life, develop people, provide education and grow with society. We invest financially and through employee volunteer resources in non-government organizations, partnering with our communities to address immediate needs and build a foundation for future generations. Brand promise. At Komatsu India, we define success as creating value together for all. We strive to improve the lives of our customers, distributors, operators, employees, suppliers and other stakeholders. We are committed to maintaining the same standards of quality and performance that have continued to improve lives as we work towards our goals. Komatsu, creating value together.